Techstore has made a dent in the universe by giving a world-class feel to a service center and has made a major impact in the IT market with its fantastic IT sales since 2002. With a world-class infrastructure setup backed by highly skilled technicians, we intend to be your go-to solution for all IT hardware requirements like computers, laptops, servers, printers, network solutions, softwares, accessories, chip-level services, and literally everything in IT. And every product is delivered with a systematic approach to ensure customer satisfaction. That happiness during delivery is priceless. Meet Anand Baig, engineer by education and the man who has been running the show since 2002. He is an admired YouTuber.
Welcome to my channel Techstore.
Techstore ships IT products all across India through www.techstore.co.in. With a 30 million plus fan base, this experience has enabled him to craft a working design that makes a showroom and service center work in symphony. We are expanding across India. If you want to have a Techstore in your city, get in touch with us.